For years, creators pushed the limits of glass tube laser machines. But eventually, every professional hits a wall. Instability, inconsistent output, limited precision. You needed more than just power, you needed control. Since 2013, Thunderlaser mastered the DC glass tube systems. We knew their strengths, but we refused to accept their limits. 2023, the change began. We launched Thunderbolt. It proved that industrial RF precision fits on your desktop.
RF is more than an upgrade. It's the new foundation for precision and reliability. But for too long, its high price put it out of reach for most. We've changed that.
Thunderbolt was just the spark. We injected the same DNA into the whole product line to make RF laser machines accessible and truly scalable.
From the Bolt series for high-precision engraving, to the Nova Plus series for heavy-duty cutting, and the Titan series, combining both for industrial production. Different sizes, uncompromising power, up to 120 watts of pure RF performance. Every machine undergoes the same torture test. Precision manufacturing. If it's not right, it doesn't leave. Cleaner cuts, sharper engravings, faster speeds. Delivering performance you can trust day after day. Around the world, Thunder RF systems are powering businesses, from sign shops to manufacturing floors.
Although we still use our glass tube Nova 35, we have found that this RF tube is what we gravitate to mostly for anything that we are engraving. It does a phenomenal job with detail, so photo engraves come out extremely well on this machine.
True innovation is about access. This is the new era of the laser movement, Thunder Laser RF Revolution. The future of laser machines starts here.